Welcome back to Cars Zone. Meet the 2026 Ferrari Roma, a perfect blend of timeless Italian elegance and cutting-edge performance. Ferrari has taken the Grand Tourer to new heights, refining its exterior, enhancing its luxurious interior, and delivering exhilarating power under the hood. In today's video, we'll dive into everything you need to know about this stunning machine, from its sleek design to its thrilling performance. Let's get started. Exterior. The 2026 Ferrari Roma continues Ferrari's philosophy of La Nuova Dolce Vita, the new sweet life. Its design is a perfect balance of sophistication and aggression, making it one of the most beautiful Grand Tourers on the market. The front fascia features an updated shark nose grille, now with an integrated active aero system to improve cooling and aerodynamics. The LED headlights are sleeker and more aggressive, inspired by Ferrari's latest hypercar technology. The side profile remains sculpted and elegant, with flowing lines that enhance aerodynamics while maintaining Ferrari's signature styling. The rear end gets redesigned quad LED taillights and a more prominent active rear spoiler, ensuring both style and stability at high speeds. New forged alloy wheels are wrapped in high-performance Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires, offering maximum grip and style. The Roma's lightweight aluminum chassis keeps it agile without compromising rigidity. Overall, the 2026 Ferrari Roma is a rolling piece of art, with every detail crafted for both beauty and function. Interior. Step inside, and you're greeted by a driver-focused yet luxurious cabin that seamlessly blends tradition with modern technology. The dashboard features a fully digital 16-inch instrument cluster, offering customizable driving data and performance metrics. Ferrari's dual cockpit design separates the driver and passenger zones, making both feel like they're in their own sports car. A new 12.3-inch curved touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto offers seamless connectivity. The steering wheel retains its signature Ferrari Manettino dial, allowing you to switch between drive modes instantly. The seats are wrapped in premium Alcantara and carbon fiber trim, ensuring comfort while keeping the cabin lightweight. A state-of-the-art Bose premium sound system provides an immersive audio experience, whether you're cruising through the city or pushing the Roma to its limits. Ferrari has introduced a new ambient lighting system, giving the interior a more luxurious feel, especially at night. It's a perfect blend of performance-focused ergonomics and grand touring comfort, making the Roma not just a car but an experience. Performance. Now, let's talk about what truly makes the 2026 Ferrari Roma a beast: its performance. Under the hood, Ferrari has upgraded the 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8, now producing 640 horsepower and 600 pound-feet of torque, a slight increase from the previous model. Power is delivered through an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, providing lightning-fast gear shifts and seamless acceleration. The Roma sprints from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.1 seconds and boasts a top speed of 205 miles per hour. Ferrari's new e-diff system and enhanced adaptive suspension ensure maximum traction and handling, making it just as comfortable on the highway as it is on the track. A refined exhaust system delivers an even more exhilarating soundtrack, with pops and crackles that make every drive unforgettable. The braking system has been upgraded with carbon ceramic brakes, providing exceptional stopping power. The Roma is not just about power, it's about delivering an unmatched driving experience with razor-sharp handling and breathtaking speed. So, what's the final verdict on the 2026 Ferrari Roma? It's a car that embodies the essence of a Grand Tourer: stunning design, luxurious comfort, and mind-blowing performance. Whether you're taking it for a weekend getaway or pushing it to the limit on the track, the Roma delivers in every aspect. Let us know in the comments, what do you think of the 2026 Ferrari Roma? Would you take it over other GTs like the Aston Martin DB12 or the Porsche 911 Turbo S? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting automotive content. This is your channel name, and we'll see you in the next one. Drive safe and stay passionate about cars.